Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to find your TikTok live stream key. So all you have to do is simply go to any web browser and then type download live studio. Now actually you can't get access to it without meeting their requirements. So you can go live here, but you have to meet the following requirements. And how are we going to know those requirements? So to be eligible or to access this feature, what you want to do is first you have to make sure that this feature is available in your country. So as you can see, TikTok stream key requirements, you must be located in United States or your country has this feature or it's available in your country. To live stream, you must be 16 plus years old. To receive gifts or must be 18 above. You must be or have at least 1,000 followers. And you also need to have a decent simultaneous video content upload rate. Now, if you meet these requirements, let's know how to get this TikTok stream key. So first, you just have to open your TikTok, click go on live, and we have here to get the stream key, you'll be able to access your live stream dashboard. You can scroll down to the bottom of the dashboard, click copy, and then locate the server URL. Take note of this. So once you have copied your server URL, all you have to do now is to go to the search bar and then open your OBS Studio. Okay, click open. And then here, what you want to do is to simply click this start streaming. Click open settings here. Once you tap open settings, you have to scroll down and look for stream. And here it is. So all you have to do is to simply paste the server URL here and then the stream key of your TikTok. I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.